This is the shape and the color of a dash dash sign. What is it? This is the shape and the color of a dash dash sign. Is it A, stop, or is B, long way? Is it C, yield, or is D, do not enter? What is this sign means? Is this stop sign, or is B, long way? Is it C, yield, or is D, do not enter? What is this sign means? Or this is the shape and color of A. Let's write. The correct answer is D, do not enter. This is the shape and color of a do not enter sign, or you don't have to enter at this sign. You are welcome to this channel, which is Road Rules Academy. This is a channel which gives you better understanding about road rules, especially road signs and questions and answers, which lead you to pass driving theory test. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, then leave comment about this video. You are with GMV. Let us continue. Question number 2. When you see this sign, you must. Once you see this sign, what will you do? A. Stop completely, check for pedestrians and cross traffic. B. Slow down without coming to a complete stop. C. Stop completely and wait for a green light. D. Slow down and check for traffic. Which is the best answer? Is it A. Stop completely, check for pedestrians and cross traffic, or is B. Slow down without coming to a complete stop? Is it C. Stop completely and wait for a green light, or is D. Slow down and check for traffic? What is the best answer? Let's write. The correct answer is A. Stop completely, check for pedestrians and cross traffic. Once you see this sign, you must stop completely and check for pedestrians and cross traffic. Question 3. This sign means. What is this sign called? A. Stop. B. No U-turn. C. Yield. D. Do not enter. What is this sign called? Is it A. Stop, or is B. No U-turn? Is it C. Yield, or is D. Do not enter? What is this sign means? Let's write. The correct answer is C. Yield. This sign means yield. Question number 4. This sign means. What is this sign called? A. No U-turn. B. No turning. C. No left turn. D. No right turn. What is this sign means? Is it A. No U-turn, or is B. No turning? Is it C. No left turn, or is D. No right turn? What is this sign called? Let's write. The correct answer is A. No U-turn. This sign means no U-turn, or once you see this sign, you don't have to turn back. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, then leave comment about this video. Question number 5. This sign means. What is this sign called? A. No U-turn. B. No left turn. C. No right turn. D. No turning. What is this sign called? Is it A. No U-turn, or is B. No left turn? Is it C. No right turn, or is D. No turning? What is this sign means? Let's write. The correct answer is C. No right turn. Once you see this sign, you should not turn right. About question number 6. This sign means. What is this sign called? A. You must turn left or right. B. You are approaching a T intersection. C. The road that you are on intersects with a divided highway. D. Designates any overpass above a divided highway. What is this sign called? Is it A. You must turn left or right, or is B. You are approaching a T intersection? Is it C. The road that you are on intersects with a divided highway, or is D. Designate an overpass above a divided highway. What is this sign called? Let's write. The correct answer is C. The road that you are on intersects with a divided highway. This sign means that the road that you are on intersects with a divided highway. About question number 7. You need to use extra caution when driving near a pedestrian using a white cane because you need to use extra caution when driving near a pedestrian using a white cane because of what? A. He or she is deaf. B. He or she has a mental disability. C. He or she is blind. D. He or she has a walking problem. What is the best answer? Is it A. He or she is deaf, or is B. He or she has a mental disability? Is it C. He or she is blind, or is D. He or she has a walking problem? Which is the correct answer? Let's write. The correct answer is C. He or she is blind. You need to use extra caution when driving near a pedestrian using white cane because he or she is blind. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, then leave comment in the comment section. About question number 8. When driving near a blind pedestrian who is carrying a white cane or using a guide dog, what should you do? When driving near a blind pedestrian who is carrying a white cane or using guide dog, what will you do? A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. B. Take the right of way. C. Proceed normally. D. Drive away quickly. What will you do? Is it A. Slow down and be prepared to stop, or is B. Take the right of way? Is it C. Proceed normally, or is D. Driving away quickly? What will you do? Let's write. The correct answer is A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. When driving near a blind pedestrian who is carrying a white cane or using guide dog, you should slow down and be prepared to stop. The correct answer is A. About question number 9. If there are no signals at a railroad crossing, what should you do if there are no signals at a railroad crossing? A. Slow down and prepare to stop if you see or hear a train approaching. B. Proceed as quickly as possible over the tracks. C. Proceed through the crossing at normal rate. D. Proceed slowly over the tracks. What will you do? Is it A. You should slow down and prepare to stop if you see or hear a train approaching, or is B. Proceed as quickly as possible over the tracks? Is it C. Proceed through the crossing at a normal rate, or is D. Proceed slowly over the tracks? What will you do? Let's write. The correct answer is A. Slow down and prepare to stop if you see or hear a train approaching. If there are no signals at a railroad crossing, you should slow down and prepare to stop if you see or hear a train approaching. The correct answer is A. Let us continue on the question number 10. The question number 10. You may drive around the gates at a railroad crossing. When will you drive around the gates at a railroad crossing? A. When the train has passed. B. Never. C. When the lights have stopped flashing. D. When other drivers drive around the gates. When will you drive around the gates at a rail crossing? Is it A. When the train has stopped, or is B. Never? Is it C. When the lights have stopped flashing, or is D. When other drivers drive around the gates? When will you drive around the gates at a railroad crossing? Let's write. The correct answer is B. Never. You may not drive around the gate at a railroad crossing. How many marks have you got in this test? Please leave it in comment. To get more, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.